Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the type conversion in C sharp. Type conversion means how we are converting the type, one data type to another data type. In the previous chapter, I already explained what is the data types. Now suppose I want to convert from one data type to another data type, that is called type conversion. In C sharp, we can say there are two types. One is the implicit conversions, other is the explicit conversions. Implicit conversion means compiler converted the one data type to another data type without required any explicit costing. Okay, we are not doing any explicit costing to convert this one data type to another data type. That is called implicit conversion. And in the explicit conversion, we are doing the cost parameter to cost. Explicitly, we are adding the cost parameter. Okay, let's see in the Visual Studio how we can do this. Okay, I am open the Visual Studio. You can see here. Okay, the first I just created a class type conversion and added a one method implicit type conversion. So this is the variable I declared, which is type is int 9. And suppose I want to convert in double, so just I declare double. This is a variable name equal to my int. So this type of conversion we can say implicit conversion. Understood? And what about explicit conversion? Go to the example 2. I declare this one double and there is the another variable I. Okay. I want to convert double to integer in this way. I equal to bracket int and d. I am telling explicitly like I want to convert d to int. That is called explicit type conversion. This is the very basic difference between implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. Okay. There is the another conversion we can say like convert dot to int 32. I want to convert the convert dot, if you type here to, you can say here different type, you can choose anyone. When it convert class, under the convert class when you type there are two boolean, two base 63, to this type of we can convert as per our requirement. And what is the syntax? Convert dot, suppose I am converting in integer, the int in bracket I am passing this str. There are two more important things while converting. There are two more methods, parse and TryParse. Okay, so this is the string. Guys, just listen carefully. This is a string which value is 456. I am converting in this way int. I am converting in int using parse method int dot parse, and I am passing this one. And there is another method TryParse. TryParse, what will do? In the TryParse, I am passing the value and it will give me the result like it's converted successfully or not as a boolean. Okay, if it is converted successfully I am writing result, otherwise conversion fail. So when it converge fail, suppose I am giving, you can just I am just running, you can see here the basic difference. It's converted everything. Now, suppose I am giving the value like 789A and I want to convert it in integer. So you can say here it will not convert and informing us like the I'm not able to convert and conversion failed, does not throw any exceptions. You can see here conversion fail. But in the parse, suppose I am passing same things, I am adding a one character here. So you can see here it will throw the exception. You can see here exception comes because it's not able to pass the this one character to integer. So that is the difference. TryParse handle the exception and giving the result like the fail, true or false, and but parse will throw the exception. So that is the very basic difference between parse and TryParse. Yeah, that's all. That's all the very basic things about the type conversion, how we can convert from one data type to another data type in C sharp. That's all for this video and hoping you guys are liking my video. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.